We guide you through how to use VPN on any Android phone. So start by choosing a reliable VPN app from the Google Play Store, downloading and installing it, and opening the app to sign up or log in. Next, we show you how to select the server location you want, activate the VPN connection with a single tap, and confirm that your IP address and location are masked for secure browsing, streaming, and accessing restricted content. We also cover quick tips for optimizing speed, enabling automatic connection on Wi-Fi network, and troubleshooting common issues like connection drops or app errors, ensuring your online activity stays private and protected at all times so you can serve safely and confidently without any interruptions.